Standing your ground, a guide to understanding and using this powerful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and powerful phrase, standing your ground. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of assertive communication in English. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to stand your ground and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. Standing your ground refers to the act of holding firm on your position or beliefs, especially in the face of opposition or challenge. It's about being resolute and not backing down, even when things get tough. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday disagreements to more serious disputes or confrontations. The key aspect here is the element of resilience and determination in defending your stance, without resorting to aggression. The phrase, standing your ground, has its roots in military terminology, where it referred to soldiers maintaining their position despite facing enemy forces. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe a person's steadfastness in their convictions or decisions, beyond just physical confrontations. This historical context adds a layer of depth to its meaning, emphasizing the importance of courage and steadfastness. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use standing your ground in conversation. 1. In a debate. Even though everyone else disagreed with me, I stood my ground because I believed in my argument. 2. In personal boundaries. When my coworker tried to take credit for my work, I stood my ground and spoke up about my contribution. 3. In ethical situations. Despite the pressure to go along with the majority, she stood her ground and defended her ethical stance. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility in expressing steadfastness across different scenarios. Standing your ground doesn't mean being stubborn or aggressive. Here are some tips to do it effectively. Be clear about your beliefs and reasons. Understanding why you're taking a stand makes it easier to explain your position to others. Listen to the other side. Standing your ground also involves listening and considering other perspectives, even if you don't agree with them. Stay calm and respectful. Keeping a level head and treating others with respect can strengthen your position and encourage constructive dialogue. Standing your ground is a powerful expression that conveys the importance of being firm and courageous in your beliefs and decisions. It's about asserting yourself in a respectful and confident manner, not about being confrontational. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase and how you can apply it in your own life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Stay tuned.